Hi, before we roll the intro, I just need to tell you I am very sorry I did not upload Vlogmas Day 20. We're uploading Day 20 and 21 together. Basically, yesterday was a really long day and you guys are about to see it, but a bunch of stuff happened where I actually was supposed to be home or landed by 10:30. There was a really bad storm in Orlando, which prevented us to be in a holding pattern until about 11:30. We landed around 12 and the ramp was closed because of lightning, and so we actually didn't get off at the airplane until close to 1. So I was already super awesomely excited to be on an airplane for 24 hours, but I was on an airplane for even more than 24 hours, so it was just awesome. But then I slept the entire day yesterday until what you see up until day 21 of yesterday. So I am really sorry that happened, but it does happen and we're starting new, day 22. So I will see you guys tomorrow in day 22. But for now, watch day 20 and 21. Bye. Jingle bell, Good morning, Vlogmas Day 20 and day 7 of the socks. Alright, got it open. Oh, it says Seeker on them. Soup's cute. Good morning, everyone. Still feeling about 80%, not 100. And especially because all last night, the smoke detector was chirping, like the batteries are running out, and it would chirp like every hour, and then it started going every 30 minutes, then it started going every 15 minutes, up until 7 o'clock. And when I got up at 7, guess what? It stopped chirping, like it knew I had to be up or something. Yeah, so I'm a little annoyed with that smoke detector. Going to Honolulu and back today, and then we deadhead to Minneapolis, and then I commute to Orlando on the 6:15 a.m. flight tomorrow morning. Literally on an airplane for 24 hours. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack up really quick, and our van is at 8:30 and it is 8:04. Pretty tree. Hi.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, flight crew. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. We're almost there, friends. Almost there.
It's almost.
Come on, Tatiana. Good morning.
I'm not a morning person and I apologize for that. It took me like an hour to warm a little bit. So.
Oh, that's okay. Good morning. Okay. Tell everyone you're
moving to Portland.
What are you? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I'm moving to Portland.
And what's happening in Portland?
Our company, our airline is opening a base here.
Whoop whoop. So she's transferring to Portland. I'm really gonna miss her, but I can always visit.
And I can always visit her.
In Orlando. Holiday travel. It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Oh, it smells like syrup.
Hey guys, so we are on the airplane and getting ready to go to Honolulu and back. and then we go deadhead to Minneapolis, and then I commute home. I think I already told you guys that, but I just want to reiterate that I'm going to be on the airplane for 24 hours. Yeah, I don't know the flight time or anything yet. They haven't really given us that information, but I bought some banana bread from the country cat in the airport for my breakfast. Eat that and have a Diet Coke. Hey guys, so we are in Honolulu. I had to think where we were. And our flight here was 6 hours. Well, 5 hours and 56 minutes. But this leg going to Portland is 5 hours and 4 minutes. So it's a little bit less, which is good, but still on an airplane for 24 hours. After we do our Honolulu turn, we will be going on a flight, another flight from Portland to Minneapolis. Gets in at 5 a.m. and then I have to commute home, and I'll get home around 10:30. So there's that. I am gonna make some tea, I think. Still coughing a lot. Trying not to, but it's okay. Thank you for all of your kind get wells. You guys have been so nice. I love you all. Anyway, it's beautiful here. I wish we could stay. That will never happen. The flight attendants do not stay.
I do want to stay.
Well, I know, I want to stay too, but we do not stay, only the pilots stay. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the back now. What's your crew meal?
Something that I don't like. Veggie sandwich.
Yum. But those chips are good.
Yeah, that's the only thing I want for my crew meal.
Oh, okay. How are you doing today, Tatiana?
I'm trying not to get sick from you, but I will survive.
How's the flight so far?
Life is good. You say live?
Flight.
Live?
Flight.
Oh, my flight. Oh, it's going well.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye now.
Bye. I asked.
Never fly when you're sick, people.
You say it will be middle.
Hey guys, we are on our deadheading flight. Hi. We are on our deadheading flight to Minneapolis, and we're all very tired. Bless you. You're welcome. But yeah, I'm gonna get some sleep, hopefully. I'm ready for bed. Day 8 for socks. Now you knew Gryffindor would be big socks. These are cute though. Even though I'm not a Gryffindor, I will still wear them and support other house socks. After the day it was today with all the rain, the sunset sure is pretty, and the camera does not even do it justice. Justice. Pretty. Hey guys, I just woke up from a nap and I am blurry. There we go. At my mom's new house. Here we are. Everything is sort of moved in, but not quite. So we still have all these boxes to go through. Lots of boxes. And we're gonna move a couple things of furniture around. I'm really dark right now, sorry. Welcome to her humble abode. I'm not gonna really give you a tour yet because the house is a mess. But we are here. We are going to unload some stuff and move some stuff around. Look it, look it, look it. Give you a little sneak peek-a-roonies. I'll show you the best part. Except I tripped the alarm earlier, so that was fun. I know, but is this, what's this light? Is there not a light out here?
Yeah. Pool light.
Oh, the pool light. Oh well, I need my shoes for the pool light. So it rained all day, but I'm gonna go out here. Huh?
It must be a light. It must be hooked up to the tap. Oh, that's probably, I don't know. It's doing that paddle thing, so everything's probably disconnected.
Oh, okay. Well, it rained, so everything's kind of like tipped over, but I'll show you the outside. Since it's dark, you can't really see it, but I'll turn the fireplace on. Ooh. Ooh. So here's the pool. Just some chaises now. But yeah. Looks good. Oh, here's a good view. Because it's light, so you can kind of see. But yeah. Oh, here's the fire. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose, except we're in Florida, so that doesn't happen here. Okay, we're gonna move some stuff around and then eat.
Now this isn't working. Do you think it's short enough because it has a paddle fan and this tied in?
They're jelly, they wanna be out here.